Oh, well, hello everyone. I have just downloaded Screencast-O-Matic and just in my account. The way to install Screen-O-Matic is just go into sort of screencast-o-matic.com. Um, Sorry, I'm just trying to go to the home page. You will be directed to the home page, and all you need to do is it's really simple. Just sign up. Just press sign up and put in your simply put in your email address, whatever you like, wherever you receive your emails from. Um, you'll be given a confirmation page, set a password, as and you'll be directed to your account. If you press account, you can just simply start recorder, um, and when you start recorder, it just says already open, but it opens a screen that you can choose the width and height, and there's a recorder button just in the bottom right hand corner. I hope that's useful, and if you have any trouble, just leave a comment in the comments section.